Wreaths are so expensive. We should definitely make our own.
This first DIY, I'm taking a hat from the Dollar Tree, a scarf from the Dollar Tree, and some florals that I already had on hand. And I don't think they came from the Dollar Tree, but maybe they did. And I'm going to take my tags off, and I'm going to take that red scarf off of the hat because I don't need it. This is just going to be such a simple, fun thing to do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blade and then my scissors, and I'm going to cut some little slits in the hat, right where the top of the hat meets the brim. And what I want to do is kind of weave the scarf in and out around the entire hat. So once I get that cut, and then on the inside, and then I've got to fluff it and glue pieces down, just to make it look good, because it never does what you want. And the hats at Dollar Tree, honestly, are super cheap. And so some of the slits I cut, they came apart even bigger. So I just had to hot glue and kind of make it look like they were just woven in and out. So just a warning, if you do get a Dollar Tree hat, just know that's going to happen. And once I get them all situated, though, I am going to tie the scarf into a knot, and it's just going to look so cute on there. Doesn't that just remind you of picnics out in the English countryside? Very country, cottagey English almost. It's so cute. Now that I've got the top dealt with, I'm going to turn it over and work on the bottom, and I'm going to secure things there because I just don't want it to pull through. This is just going to be something you can hang on a wall or set on a shelf kind of as a piece of decor. And it won't be touched a lot, but I still don't want anything to happen. And I used some jute cord to make a little hanger. Very simple, just cut a piece, hot glued it, and then put a little masking tape over it. You're never going to see that because that will be up against the wall or laying on top of something. Next, I'm going to start adding some florals. So I had pulled a few aside, and now I'm just going to figure out which ones that I actually do want to use for this. I love those kind of off-white ones. I think they look great, so I'm definitely going to do that. And then I'm going to add in some of the yellow too because I want to make it all tied together. But I don't want to overdo it, so I had extras. I didn't end up using them because I think they were just too much. I even cut one off and put it up there and looked at it, and then I thought, no, just remember, less is more. That's kind of my mantra. Then I got these natural wooden beads that I had gotten from Amazon, and I picked the larger ones. And I'm literally going to hot glue one to every intersection where I made a little, I guess, kind of poof, if you will, for the scarf. And I think it looks so cute. I'm not going to paint them. I'm not going to do anything. Just hot glue them right onto the hat. I'm honestly loving this look. Please let me know what you think. Would you make something like this? I mean, it's so easy. This is just super easy. I mean, why not try it? Got some beautiful flowers from the Dollar Tree, and I've got a basket I got at the Target dollar spot. I think it was $3. Isn't it cute? I'm going to use some lace and ribbon that I already had on hand and some little round styrofoam balls, and I'm going to fill up the basket with plastic bags that I have a lot of, just so I don't have to put so much in there to fill it up. Just really fills space where you need it. I'm going to use my tin snips, and I'm going to cut all these flowers down. They had really thick stems, and then I'm going to kind of play around with getting them in there, sticking them in the styrofoam. I didn't have a piece that was like a rectangle or whatever to fit in there. That's why I put the balls in, but I did hot glue the balls down so that they wouldn't move around, and that really made a difference. So if you ever have to use something that's a funny size, that will work. And like I said, just playing with all the different sizes. I am going to also bring in some other leaves that I had. I believe I got these at the Target dollar spot, the extra ones I'm putting in at the end there. I'm going to use one handle as a hanger and the other handle is sort of the front. Now I'm going to take some floral wire and I'm going to squeeze the two back corners of this basket because I want it to be more flat on the back, and that way it'll lay up against the wall better and it won't look like it's falling over. So I just stick the floral wire in there and kind of create a little pinch and then twist it as tight as I can. And that seemed to work. That really helped get it to the place where I really wanted it to be. After finishing squeezing the two corners in the back, I found this really pretty kind of greenish purple leaf pick, and I thought it would just look really nice and fill in that little opening I still had and just make this look fuller, the colors coordinate. And then I'm going to take my purple lace ribbon that I have,
And then I also have a really pretty little beige colored ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue one to the front of the other, and then I'm going to wrap it around the basket right where there's a difference in size there, and then just tie it in the front. Adorable. I hope you guys like this one. It was beyond easy to make, and so many of the things I already had at home, but even if you didn't, this would have been extremely inexpensive. I really hope that you like it. It was really fun to make. Let me know what you think about this idea of trying new things and, just trying out different decor styles so we can all see what works, what doesn't, or even just to challenge yourself to do something new. That's important. We've got to always be learners. Never stop learning, never stop growing. At least that's the way I look at life. It keeps it interesting, and it definitely keeps it fun. And that's something I want, because from what I understand, that keeps us younger too. And once I get this ribbon tacked down the way I want it, this one is done. That's it. That's all there is to it. Little mini wreath, and I've got these carrots from Dollar Tree, and then I've also got some greenery that I got at the Target dollar spot. These wreaths come 2 in a pack, and you just have to really look closely to figure out where to cut them apart. I almost thought they were just one. Now I've gone ahead and I'm hot gluing little leaves from this greenery that I got, and then I'm going to attach the carrots. Now I'm figuring out the pattern or design that I want to do right now, and I end up putting kind of a little row of leaves, and then I'm going to put 5 carrots hot glued to it. Super easy, super fast, and it came out adorable. I decided to take that burlap black chevron ribbon, use that to create a cute little faux hanger that's going to have the hanger on the back, which is just another little piece of jute twine. And you guys, that's it. I love this one. It was so easy, so cute, and so inexpensive. Oh my gosh. Crafts don't have to be super complicated to be fun and really cute. This didn't require any special techniques, and I just threw it together. And I really think anyone could make this. This round wood piece with a hanger at the Target dollar spot. It was $3, and one side has got a whitewashed kind of look and one has got the wood. And then I found the word happy, the metal word happy, at the Dollar Tree, and then I have some flower picks. And so what I decided to do is hot glue the word happy across this wood round, and then I'm going to put some cute little flowers and greenery around the bottom and just decorate it that way. It's super simple, but it just feels like spring, because spring makes you happy, especially after all the snow and whatever in the winter. So I just thought, what a cute wall hanging this would be. kind of ran into this little dilemma. There were 2 holes in the metal word happy. I guess you could have hung it. Well, I already had a hanger on the wood round, so I decided to use these little pop-up button things from their stickers from the Dollar Tree, and I put them over the holes, but then I thought, oh, that looks weird just on the H and the 1P. So I just put a couple across each letter, and they were pretty colors and they were very spring-like, and I thought, you know what? That'll work. What do you guys think? Would you have done that, or would you have done something different? Let me know in the comments. I honestly love how this one turned out. I hope you guys do too.
Are you ready for more inspiration? I've got another video here I think you will really like. Click on it. I will see you there. You are truly a blessing to me. Bye.